Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk through the process of boost a post on a Facebook page. Let's get started. In a sea of social media content, standing out is key. That's where Facebook Boost comes in. It's a feature designed to give your posts the boost they need to reach a wider audience. Boosting your post can lead to increased visibility and engagement and even drive traffic to your website. It's a cost-effective way to maximize the impact of your content. Let's dive into the steps of boosting a post on Facebook. First, select the post you want to boost. It could be a product announcement, a special offer, or anything you want to highlight. Once you've chosen your post, locate the Boost Post button. It's usually found at the bottom of your post. Now it's time to define your audience. Specify demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures your post reaches the right people. Choose how much you want to spend and for how long you want your post to be boosted. Facebook will give you an estimated reach based on your budget. Take a moment to review your choices. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit button to confirm your choices. Following that, proceed to select your preferred payment method. Once you've made your choice, fill in the payment details accurately. To conclude the process, click the Save button. Your transaction is now successfully submitted and saved. Facebook will also review and approve this post ad. Your post is now set to reach a larger audience. And there you have it. Boosting a post on Facebook is a simple yet powerful way to amplify your message and connect with your audience. Give it a try and watch your reach soar.